Right now in the pre-market, still a couple of hours before the stock market opens. Today is Friday, the 24th of June 2022, and right now Mullen Automotive in the pre-market is up 3.42%. Yesterday the stock went down 8.75% and closed the day at $1.46. But today it is up 3.42% and is trading at $1.51. That is quite a significant increase if you ask me. S&P futures are up 0.70%. The Dow futures up 0.61%. Nasdaq futures up 0.88%. Russell 2000 futures up 0.84%, and crude oil is also up 1.29%, trading at $105.61. Markets open up in 3 hours 30 minutes. The things I want to point out: yesterday the volume for Mullen Automotive was a bit low. It was almost what it was on average, with 71 million shares that exchange hands compared to an average volume of 82 million shares. The market capitalization of Mullen Automotive right now is at 485 million US dollars. And just for you to have a sense of scope, the 52-week range for Mullen Automotive is from 52 cents all the way up to $15.89. So today we have an update from Mullen Automotive, and this came out yesterday at 7:30 a.m. and basically is the CEO who is updating shareholders on Mullen Automotive's activities. So we have let's see here, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 points that he noted. The first one says Mullen's solid-state polymer battery cell was successfully tested for the second time at Battery Innovation Center in Indiana. This follow-up testing from an accredited facility shows promise for solid-state polymer cell technology when scaled to the vehicle pack level and used in EVs. Mullen delivered its first EV van under a pilot program to a telecommunications provider in the southeastern part of the United States on May 12, 2022. The company has requested certain van modifications in support of their anticipated use. The van has been picked up and is currently being modified to fit the specs required by the customer in anticipation of a vehicle purchase order, including an upgrade to an 80 kilowatt hour battery pack. Mullen, this is the third point. Mullen expects to join the Russell 2000 and 3000 indexes on June 27th, 2022, after the market opens. According to a preliminary list of additions posted by FTSE Russell on June 3rd, 2022. The company's stock will also be automatically added to the appropriate growth and value indexes. The next point, Mullen reached an agreement subject to approval by company shareholders to secure $275 million in additional funding for their company. If shareholder approval is obtained, it is anticipated that a portion of the funding will be used for the EV cargo van class 1 to 4 program, the 5 EV crossover, and the 5 RS high performance vehicle program development. Next point, Mullen's partnership with LGG Linghang Guochang Group is on track, with both parties jointly scaling solid-state polymer battery cell technology with the objective of moving from the individual cell level to the vehicle pack level. Solid-state polymer batteries are envisioned for the second generation of the Mullen 5 EV crossover. Next point, Mullen began retrofitting the existing high-voltage facility in Monrovia, California, for the production of EV battery pack development to support the Mullen EV programs. Next point, National, strikingly different test drive tour event has been announced for fall 2022, and Mullen will visit over 15 cities across the United States. And the last point, development of the Mullen 5 RS, a high performance version of the Mullen 5 EV crossover, has commenced and will be joining the Mullen 5 test drive tour in early 2023. And prior to making this statement, the CEO, Mr. David Micheri, said, 2022 has been an exceptional year for us so far. I am very proud of the immense effort by the Mullen team. Mullen has made significant progress in a number of key areas. And then that's when he went on to state what I just read to you guys. So I expect to see Mullen Automotive probably rise today. The futures seem to be a little bit higher than what I would have expected. If those futures were a bit lower, then I would have been totally bullish today about the market. But what I see happening is that you will have the indexes of Wall Street rise and then at some point drop to either where they are right now or even below the levels at which they are right now. So just be careful and bear that in mind. That is my thought, and that's my what I think is going to actually happen. So it starts on a very optimistic note and then rises and then drops to about where it is sitting at right now, or it goes even just a little bit below where it's sitting right now. And that is why I caution you guys today when you are doing your investments and placing your trades to be quite cautious and proceed with wide open eyes. Well, that's what I had to share with you guys about Mullen Automotive. We will see where the day takes us, and we will keep close watch on this. Bye for now.